Xiaomi 17 Pro Max live hands-on look is finally here. The battery capacities and a lot of official teasers plus a hands-on video of all variants Xiaomi 17, Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max were leaked. Recently we saw that Xiaomi's president compared the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max with iPhone 17 Pro Max, and he said that we haven't copied the design from Apple. In fact, it was inspired by Mi 11 Ultra. And now some official hands-on clip have surfaced. As you can see, this is the Xiaomi 17, the base model. It has triple rear camera setup in square shaped camera module. Then next up we have Xiaomi 17 Pro and the Pro Max. The screen size of Xiaomi 17 and 17 Pro is same, which is 6.3 inches with center punch hole selfie shooter and very minimum bezels. And from the front, these phones look pretty similar to the iPhones, but just the notch part is missing. Both the Pro variants are having massive rear screen, which is the main highlight of this phone. This rear display is fully customizable and you can use it for some day-to-day stuff like weather, notifications, calendar, music controls, or to take selfies with higher resolution of rear cameras. There is triple camera setup, two on the main camera island and one just below it. The 17 Pro Max is having periscope lens while the 17 Pro have telephoto lens. The most interesting part is that this will be the world's first phone to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. The Geekbench scores are just insane. It scored even higher than the recently released iPhone 17 Pro. Talking about the batteries, then we have some rumored details for them. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max will get 7500 milliamps of battery, while the 17 Pro will get 6300 milliamps and Vanilla 17 will have 6800 milliamps of battery. So really huge batteries for sure. We will also see 100 watts of wired and 50 watts of wireless charging. So a lot of great specs like Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, 7500 milliamps of battery, triple 50 megapixel camera setup, and especially the iPhone naming scheme. The rumored launch date is 25th of September, which is just tomorrow. So that's all for now. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.